that's the strap, and then that's cool, and that's cool. But yeah, this is what like goes on there. You see the almost 22B? Yeah, it's an RS with an STI motor. Yeah, I said almost a 22B.
I've seen that one, Dad.
Which one? That? That's a Slowbie, I know.
I know, but
that's his wife's. It's that's the 2013 version. I'm gonna go check out some stuff up the front. Man, that's loud. I gotta go put this in my car. There's your wagon. There's your fitment you want.
No, that's what I'm saying. Is this one here.
That's exactly what you want to do, right?
I do.
Yeah. You should ask him how, yeah.
Work wheels too.
I mean, that is on the ground too.
I want that.
Yeah. I like that. Got a free hat. I like that.
That like.
Yeah, I'm just recording everything right now.
There's a bug guy with.
Oh, nice.
With the wheels that I have.
Yeah.
And I was here. Stop for a second.
Yeah.
These.
Oh yeah.
That's what fitment I should do with my wheels when I. For now. Maybe a little more stretch though.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorites?
That one right there.
Yeah, that one's pretty dope. The
I
yellow
just-
one?
Yeah.
Just got me a hat.
Oh, you got a hat? I got a hat
And then
too.
I just bought the
Oh, nice.
all
No, that
four
guy's
corners
cool.
for
That
the
guy's
turn
cool.
signals. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This guy's
They're a little spendy, but you know, they'll be bright, so
Yeah.
people will actually see me turning.
Right, for sure.
Both
that's
front
good,
and
yeah.
back. I'll have
I
to
don't
pick
ever
a
drive
good
my
day for
car,
that
so.
because
Dude, he's gonna bite you.
yeah, she don't bite. She don't bite.
Is she
It's a
old?
good dog.
Yeah, she's gonna be 10 in August.
Wow.
I'm gonna put these in my car real quick.
When are they gonna do this?
Yeah, she does sometimes, but
She was parking our yard.
so much garbage in here. GoPro, stop record.